Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 Frunk. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging park, and powering down the car completely. Open the frunk using the touchscreen or key fob. Gather tools like T30, trim removers, and a soft cloth to protect painted surfaces. Remove food, liquids, and debris from the frunk area so nothing falls into components. Keep bolts organized to speed reassembly and avoid lost fasteners. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 Frunk. Start by lifting the rubber seal and releasing the plastic clips with a trim tool. Work slowly to avoid tearing the seal. Remove the visible T30 screws while supporting the frunk panel with your other hand. Carefully unplug any wiring harnesses and label each connector to make reinstallation straightforward. Place the panel on a soft towel to avoid scratching painted surfaces while you work. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 Frunk. After removing the liner, locate and remove the hidden screws to reach hinge bolts. Always support the lid during this step. Unbolt hinges one side at a time and keep track of washers and spacers for proper alignment later. Check the latch and actuator for wear or damage before fully separating the frunk assembly. Store removed parts neatly for a smooth reinstallation process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.